SQLAlchemy inclause. I'm trying to do this query in SQLAlchemy. I would like to bind the list 123, 456 at execution time.
How about edit without the on? It would be select takes two parameters. The first one is a list of fields to retrieve. The second one is the where condition. You can access all fields on a table object via the C or columns property.
Assuming you use the declarative style, i.e. on classes, it is pretty easy. db_session is your database session here, while user is the on class with _table name _equal to users.
An alternative way is using raw SQL mode with SQLAlchemy. I use SQLAlchemy 0.9.8, Python 2.7, MySQL 5.x, and MySQL Python as connector. In this case, a tuple is needed. My code listed below. Hope everything works for you.
Just wanted to share my solution using SQLAlchemy and pandas in Python 3. Perhaps, one would find it useful.
Ele vai, você erra, e lá você consiga esse técnica.